So you can always use those notes to go step by step. But what we're going to do first is FOIL. So I'm going to distribute the x to the second parentheses, and then I'm going to distribute the -3. So we get y equals, keep that negative in the front, keep your parentheses, x times x is x squared, x times 7 is 7x, -3 times x is -3x, and -3 times 7 is -21. Alright, next step is to combine the like terms. So still all in parentheses. 7x minus 3x is positive 4x. Oh, I want to do that in group. Alright, bring down everything else. Alright, last step I need to do is distribute the negative. If that bothers you, you can make it a -1 so that you have a number. But we distribute the -1 to everything. So negative x squared, negative 4x, and positive 21. And that's my answer. That is the equation in standard form. Alright, for this one, the first thing we need to do is rewrite. Because you cannot distribute the exponent, so it means squared means multiply this times itself. So I'm going to rewrite it as x plus 3 times x plus 3. And bring down the rest. Alright, now I can distribute or FOIL. X times x is x squared, x times 3 is 3x. Now distributing the 3. 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 3 is 9. Then we can combine the like terms in the center. 3x plus 3x is 6x. Then we're going to distribute. These are the same steps from the previous problem. So 9x squared, 9 times 6 is 54x, and 9 times 9 is 81. And bring down the -5. And that last step, we have like terms here at the end, those constants, so we can combine those together. 81 minus 5 is 76. And there's the equation in standard form. Alright, so for this one, it's rewrite it, FOIL, distribute, and then combine.